मैंने रिसेंटली जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विस का जो 2018 का एग्ज़ाम है वो क्रैक किया है। मेरी रैंक 46 है। और मेरी जो एजुकेशन है, जो मेरी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन है वो एक ऑर्फनेज के थ्रू हुई है टिल क्लास 12th। एंड लेटर ऑन मेरी जो ग्रेजुएशन है वो गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज डोडा से हुई है। और मेरी जो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन है वो बॉटनी में अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी से हो चुकी है। एंड इन द ऑर्फनेज आई वाज लाइक ए केज्ड पैरट। आई वाज नॉट नोइंग दैट what I have to do to go to KS, or what I have to do to go to administrative services. So I was given science subject. And later on, when I came to college, when I came to my hometown, so I started giving tuitions to students, and at the same time I would get to know about the polity, the history, or extra thing, because I was of the view that what kind of struggles will come into my life, I will change them into opportunities, and everything worked in my favor. Though I was having some financial constraints, I was having some other issues, but I was steadfast that whatever will happen, I am innovative. I am working through dedication, that nothing will stop me, and it worked in my favor. So I decided to go to Aligarh Muslim University. And the reason was that the first thing is that I will get some extra knowledge even of my subject, and the second thing is that I would get some opportunities, some exposure there, and this all worked in my favor. And even in Aligarh Muslim University, in the daytime I was in class, I would do all those laboratory activities or study, and in the night time I used to study for 3 or 4 hours for Kashmir Administrative Service exam. फॉर्म भरने से पहले मैं 2 महीने एलिजिबल हुआ था, सो इट एवरीथिंग वर्कड इन टैंडम. तो उसके बाद जो मेरी तैयारियां थी, दैट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी बुक्स. I give a lot of time to NCERT's book to clear my concepts, and the tuitions that worked in my favor. वो मैंने आपको बोला कि एक तीर से 3 निशान हो गए थे. फाइनेंस भी आने लगा, बच्चों को भी पढ़ा रहा था और खुद भी समझ पा रहा था बातों को. What happened with me? I was also told by a lot of people that this is not the cup of your tea. You will have to, after burning your oil, what will happen to you, that you will not get selected because you are from some poor background or etc. But it doesn't bother me. But even the poor people they are looking at me as a role model, that he had nothing with him and he cleared that. And all I am getting a lot of message from people that how you did it, that you have been an inspiration for us. Those people who are poor, they are having some kind of hope that we will also get there if we will have dream. Thanks to Almighty Allah. And after that, my mom, she's uneducated, she doesn't know the ABCD of civil services even.
Meshwara khushi gam lakh shukur chu khada sabun gad tel patti hon yimo emis rots wathoy chas lakh shukur karan meshwara khushi gam yem asna mal sun pathoy yem shon me wohin te aaj ta asas na banan क्या नहीं, यम ओसी न मोर अदस गरीबी तथी गरीबी मजन ओसी गया और पढ़ने ओस ये पढ़न त एकेडमी ये पढ़ना चूर मजन गया और श्रीनगर हॉस्टलस अद थे कर तो मे वारा खुशी गम अत मजन शुक्र करन गो खुदा सबन तेल पत्ति तिमन उस्तादन हन अमिस रोच वाथ तेल पत्ति लुकन हन तम अमिस करस हमदर्दी ती हन ते.
In my 10th class, I was one of the toppers, but later on I was pushed to take up medical. I was not like good at medical. I was not good at math. Even in my 12th class, I got just 40 marks out of 100, and the cut was 37. My whole year would have been wasted if I would not have, like, I was having some issues in them. So the thing is that if your children are looking for something, if they are trying to go for arts, even it was, if I will be given a chance to go back to 10th class, I will surely pick up arts for